That's cute. Walk follow. Aww. Oh.
I think so. Really very timid. Sometimes they just can't play football. So timid. They've not played football for 10 years. That's nasty. So next time, she's more. She's getting me to must be able to tell the difference between.
Hello. 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 You don't like me? Oh. Hello. Get it?
And their offspring. So in our case here, our breeds of care, their names are Colby, they're both 10 years old, and they're a very special pair because they actually came to us from America originally about 7 years ago. It's a bit like bird-like sound. But this particular call they use to announce their territory is a very, very loud bellowing call. And sometimes it's quite lucky we get raised groups and family groups in the wild. So there's a variety of different ways to communicate and mark out their territory. So first of all, they will be vocal, so we'll do lots of different high-pitched bird-like sounds again. They'll relate to this. It's only being around close contact in the family group. They also rely heavily on smell. So smell sounds in particular, but likewise, one thing that they do is for communication is to use any insects that you can find there. Now, of the two species that we house as the primates in this enclosure, it is Edward's kind that I'm afraid of. So after the talk, we're going to pop in and probably get myself and certainly Edward to the other one. Thank you very much for this.
And look, we're looking at
Oh yeah, thank you.
Look at this, very nice. See it? Straight ahead. Straight ahead. No, no, you need to move over. Look.
โอ้แกลี่เหรอ อนาคอนดา
The green and a common one.
Yeah, that heavier snake in the water. Oh, you are? Well, there's like big snakes in the every anaconda, the whole bone and then the tree.
Because
ดูสินี่ อันนี้คือโคโมโดะ Moving, mister. เดี๋ยวจะพาไปดูหมูเด้ง หมูเด้งอังกฤษ น้องหมูเด้ง หมูเด้ง หมูเด้ง In Thailand call หมูเด้ง 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 แต่ดับเบี้ยว
small size. Actually small.
Một bánh thì con. Con liệu là một bịch quá. Ôi, đi tặng. Để ta bay nó.
Hello. Wow, I got her. Hello.
There's not one over there.
Stick a big gun, look at it.
What's she doing there? Betty. Oh, look at that up there. There. Oh. Yeah. Is it a little one, do they?